What's up? Good morning. Let me just get this tweeted and then we are ready to go. How we doing today? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Finally get a full day of trading. I haven't gotten a full day of trading in over a week. It's been my last actual full day of trading was Thursday of last week. And even that wasn't really a full day of trading, so I would say Wednesday actually. So it's gonna feel good. Finally got all the doctor's appointments out of the way. I think I'm good to go. Fingers crossed. Hopefully nothing pops up today. But yeah, I'm excited. I miss trading. What was it? Yesterday was Thursday. So I wasn't able to trade yesterday. Wednesday I caught two nice trades, but I had to leave by like 20-30 minutes into market open, so really didn't get much. And then Tuesday I couldn't even focus. But yeah, we here. Let's run it up. Let's make some money today. If you guys could real quick, make sure to click that like button. I know I started a little early today, so some people aren't going to be in right away, but that is a-okay because I got the setups for today. How we doing? Good morning. But yeah, let's hop right into it. SPY and QQQ. I can tell you I see a setup right now on SPY that I absolutely love. So we're just going to start off there. Looking at SPY, as you can see, we're getting this cup and handle right here on the 1 hour time frame. So here's our rounding bottom. We have our push up. Now we're consolidating. Maybe we pull back to that 50%, which also lines up with this bottom trend line right here. This creates a high probability bounce. Stop loss right below. If it breaks below, I'll watch 379.5. Or if we break above that, then I'm very, very, very interested in calls. But yeah, I like this 1 hour cup and handle. Ocean City, Maryland, my man, what's up? We're gonna throw this in the Discord right now. Oh, hold up. Let's try that again. You guys didn't see that. That's the best rounding bottom you're gonna get from me. There's a reason I didn't pursue a career in art. SPY. My number one setup for today. There is a 1 hour cup and handle, and I will be watching what is that, 380.4 very closely for a bounce. We have influence of the 50% fib plus trend line. Watching this area closely for calls. Below there, I will watch 379.45 or a break above the upper trend line for calls. Boom. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 135 people in here, only 38 likes. Remember, running up to 200 likes and you guys get the watch list. But yeah, I'm loving this setup. Let's look at the higher time frames real quick. So one thing about the higher time frame was this trend line that we talked about yesterday. We did deny it, as you can see right there. So I will be watching that level again. Kind of got like this little 4 hour symmetrical triangle as well. But I do want to watch that 1 hour cup and handle. Maybe it's even an inverse head and shoulders. I don't know. I'm going to go with the cup and handle. I like that better. Cool. Boom. There's a screenshot. Got my G Fuel in me this morning too. Got a new flavor. It's rainbow sherbet, I think it is. It's pretty good. Good morning. How'd you all do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? I guess, yeah. Shoulder, head, shoulder. You could look at this two different ways. You could look at it as an inverse head and shoulders. I'm looking at it more so of a cup and handle. Just because that right If this were to be the right shoulder, it kind of peaked a little higher than this one. I would have liked it to be more symmetrical. So, cup and handle. Cool. Let's go to QQQ. Actually, see if there's any reject spots. I don't think we have any rejects. Yeah, no. Nope. Yeah, no rejects. Only thing I have is this bounce right here. Cool. Let's do this. That's SPY. Let's go to QQQ. What'd you guys snag yesterday? Pretty solid area of support right here. Again, kind of doing the same setup here on QQQ. Except it's kind of breaking below. Yeah, so if we pull pretty hard, 26266 is ideally what I'm interested in for QQQ. Caught SPY calls yesterday. Nice. Let me see if we have any economic news. Hold up. Economic calendar. Let's see. PMI is really the only important thing at 9:45. So, nothing at 8:30. PMI 9:45. Not 1:45, 9:99. Cool. Yeah, I mean, that's really all I have for QQQ. Yeah, there's no reject. Yeah, we smacked that 50% fib yesterday. 26725. And then, yep, we broke above that as well. So, no good rejects on QQQ today. We do have that 1 hour potential bounce at that 262.66. Plus, we do have this area of support right here at around like 263. So I'm going to be watching in between these two levels right here for a potential bounce. We break below there, however. Yeah, nothing until 259.73 and then the yearly lows. This is on ThinkorSwim. Yeah, if we break below that 61.8, game over. Cool. QQQ looking for a potential bounce at 263 to 262.66. If price falls below there, you could see 259.75. After that, nothing till the yearly low. After that, nothing until the yearly low. Boom. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 200 people in here, only 80 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list today, you got to run it up to 200 likes. That is the goal. I think you guys can do it. It's the last trading day of the year. Share the love by clicking that like button. You're going to try G Fuel today, which is the best flavor. I like Phase X and I like Blue Ice. Those are probably my top two. This Rainbow Sherbet's pretty good though. I'll tell you what though. If you ever go to a gas station and you see the canned G Fuel, do not get the snow cone one. I got that on Christmas and it tastes like a cranberry vodka. Almost had me throwing up in the morning. It was disgusting. I don't know, maybe they did put vodka in it. Let's see. 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Bingo. Let's run through the watch list. What is squeezing today? Boeing 4 hour squeeze, Baba daily squeeze. We're watching Baba. I'm actually really interested in that setup right now. And then we have a Meta daily squeeze. SPX has a 10-minute and a 15-minute squeeze. Cool. No, G Fuel is not a pre-workout. It's just it helps you focus. Did it? Of course, it gapped down. Well, never mind the Baba. I've been waiting for that trend line breakout. Actually, 86.64. Where are we trading at? I'm gonna watch that daily 21 to snag a swing. But I do like Baba. I would continue to keep that on watch. Rhino, remind me at the end of the live stream, we'll go over the TGX swing. And good, I'm glad you're liking the book. I'm glad you're finding value. 127.96. The bounce I have for Apple is 127.63. However, we're too close to it in the pre-market. So I'm just going to ignore that. Not too interested. AMD, same thing, not interested. I don't trade Amazon. Yeah, it's an energy drink. It has caffeine, but it doesn't have like the beta, what is it called? Beta alanine in it, the stuff that makes you itch, like pre-workout. Yeah, this Boeing squeeze definitely wants to fire today. Good morning. Pretty sure this Boeing squeeze does want to fire down. However, I'm not going to trade 0DTE on Boeing. I already looked at Baba. Meta. Meta tried to break out yesterday. It couldn't hold. It is kind of bull flagging on the 4 hour though. Okay, I might watch Meta today. It looks all right. Meta question mark. Telling you, 2023, I'm getting that G Fuel sponsorship. I'm gonna be the first stock trader to get it. That's the goal. Not too interested in the individual names today. Okay, Boeing, or not Boeing, if Nvidia could take a dump down to 141.66, I'd be interested for a potential bounce down there. And then the only other thing is Tesla, which is also getting smacked. Alrighty, Tesla. Where could we get a potential bounce, or is it just going to melt? See if we can get some confluence. Yes, so we do have confluence around like 114. So we're going to watch that area for a possible bounce. We can short it down into that level too. I'm not taking the day off. This is my first day actually able to sit here and trade the full day in a week. Best believe I'm sitting here and trading today. But yeah, below 118.72, look to go short. Price target yesterday's low, and then this 114 level, which I really like for a potential bounce. Or we just rock it up and break pre-market highs. If that was the case, I'm interested in calls. Cool. So we got SPY and QQQ out. Now we gotta break it down to two from Meta, Nvidia, and Tesla. So let's see. Meta tried to break that 4-hour trend line yesterday. Couldn't hold, but it does look like it's kind of bull flagging on the 4-hour. It's just a really ugly bull flag. It's got a daily squeeze. I would say if Meta can gain some strength and possibly break like 119.5, I'd be interested. Keep that on watch on the side. Yeah. I'll take a look at the tick, but I don't think we've sold off enough to make it a good setup. Usually I like to use the tick the most when we have like an economic news in the pre-market and we sell off, or we pump in the pre-market and then we hold those levels. $166. I don't know. I think I'm gonna lean towards Meta and Tesla today. It's also only 8:30, so we have so much time. Yeah, I think. Yeah, game plan is going to be shorting Tesla down to the bounce area and then look for calls from there. So let's put this in the chat. Tesla. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Tesla, very interested in a potential bounce around 114. It is looking weak in the pre-market, so I will look for shorts down into the bounce level. Or if Tesla starts pumping, I am interested in calls above 123.5. Boom. As long as this could be our pre-market low, like as long as Tesla doesn't break below 118.72, I'd be very interested in going into the open for shorts. We'll see though. Oh, let's get other price targets. Hold up. Yeah, so if we start pumping, we got room up into like 127. Cool. Boom. There's Tesla. And then we need the screenshot. It's too cold for shorts today. Good joke. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. SPY's already getting close to the level. Seeing how price reacts to this level. Hold on. If we start slipping below it, we're more than likely testing that 38.34. But the futures, they are giving the fib rule. Remember, we dip down, slightly break below the level, reclaim, get long, stop loss right below the low of this candle, give or take a couple points. So I want to see how we react. It's looking like it wants it. So far, it's following the rule. Spot was super close to that level too. It is at the bottom of that trend line. Hold on, we're just watching ES right now. I want to see how we react. I use them both. It depends on how price reacts when it comes down to the level and what other confluence there is in that area. So if we're looking at SPY, you can see that we have the 1 hour trend line right here while ES is testing that 50% retracement, making it a little higher probability. Ideally, I like to see the 61.8, but it also depends how far away is the 61.8 from the 50. But yeah, if you caught this, I mean, nice, what is that, like a point? Yeah, a point so far. Or no, a few points, couple points off of that, while risking 2 points. So like a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Somebody let me know if we start slipping below that 38.43. Bring this chart back up. Yeah, Tesla did break that level. And then there was one more. I think it was Meta. Yes, Meta. So, real quick, before we get the Meta levels, in case you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age of Technical Analysis. If you guys do want to learn more about my overall day trading and swing trading strategy, as well as how I find my price targets, support and resistance, you name it, it is more than likely in the book. If you guys do want to check it out, use this link right here and get my book off of Amazon. Boom. Cool. All right, so Meta bouncing off that bottom trend line. Oh no, it's just such an ugly bull flag. We're going to watch it. Yeah, especially if it breaks, it has room if it wants to. If the market can pump, Meta has the room. Meta watching this 4-hour bull flag for a continuation. If price can break the flag, I will be watching for calls. Boom, there's Meta. It's holding the level pretty good. QQQ's already at the bounce. One of the bounces. See if we can get a new high on that ES. But yeah, the watch list is pretty much done. And it's only 8:40. I started early today, so that's why it's done already. Again, if you guys could, though, make sure to click that like button. We need, what is that, 43 more likes for you guys to get the watch list in the chat. In the meantime, you guys can ask me any questions. I'll answer them. But this is actually a really good example of the fib rule that I talk about all the time. Look for a hard sell-off into the bounce area. Look for price to slightly break below and then reclaim the level. When it reclaims the level, get long, and your stop loss is slightly below the low of this candle. So let's just say you got an entry of 38.44, you're already up 3.25 points when your stop loss was, give or take, 2 points. So that's a really good live example right there. And that's a strategy that I've been trading over and over and over when day trading. Yeah, we trade live on voice. Became a loyalty member. I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, SPY, we have a 1 hour cup and handle. Here's our cup. Here's our handle. We're bouncing off of that bottom portion right now and pretty much right at that 50% fib. That's what I'm looking for off the open. That's my main area to look for a bounce. But ES did already bounce off of its level, so we got to keep that in mind. But ideally with SPY, I want to see this breakout of the handle. If we can get that, then we'll more than likely see the continuation. If we start breaking below 30 or 379.50 or 45, we're more than likely going lower. So yes, I have videos on ThinkorSwim, not scanners, but just how to set it up in general, just like mine. Welcome to our loyalty member cult that we have going on. But yeah, that ES was a really good example of the fib rule. Oh yeah, somebody asked me about TJX earlier. So yes, we are in a TJX swing. Pull this up real quick. Boom, boom. TJX. The whole reason I'm in this swing is, let's actually get the other chart. Hold on. Where is it? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so TJX. What I'm liking about this setup. We have a daily squeeze, we have a monthly squeeze, we have a quarterly squeeze on the daily time frame. So I'm playing the daily setup right now. Looking at the daily time frame, we've continued to hold this daily 21 EMA. 1, 2, 3, not there. Let's see, 4, 5, 6. Yellow momentum, slingshot squeeze. So the slingshot is when, let's find a good example. Is there not going to be one on TJX? We'll go to BJ's because I took a swing on this based off of the slingshot. So the slingshot is when we trade above the moving averages and we get the yellow momentum with the squeeze turning into the light blue. So you get like this huge reaction in the stock price when you get the slingshot squeeze. So if we're looking at BJ's on the weekly, look at the reaction it had over the course of a year, right? So if we go back to TJX, it's the same thing. The probabilities of the squeeze firing up are very, very high. Does that guarantee that it's going to? Absolutely not. That's why we use proper risk management. My stop loss is if we start breaking below 78. That's my stop loss. But overall, my price target is first 81.17, and then if we start breaking above there, 82.36, 83.26, 83.88. So the risk to reward is clearly in our favor. All we have to do is apply risk management. That's it. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. You said we're starting to break below? Hold up. Let's see how ES reacts. But yeah. I mean, I trade a lot more SPY and QQQ. There's days where I'll trade Tesla. It just has to have a good setup. Is ES going to go for round 2? Theoretically, it never hit the stop loss. Let's see how many likes we got. We're close. I know that. You guys need one more like. There you go. 200. Now you guys get the watch list. Look at that. Let's see. There's SPY. QQQ. Tesla. And then, let's see, Meta. Bingo. That's watch list. So yeah, feel free to ask any questions. I'll hang out here till 8:50 and then get ready to trade for the day. And again, in case you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age of Technical Analysis. So if you guys do want to learn more about my overall day trading and swing trading strategy, how I find stocks to trade, price targets, all the indicators I use with a full in-depth breakdown on each indicator, make sure you guys check out the book. And I am running a mastermind with Team Bull early next year. This is the first time I've done a mentorship class in a while. It's been a minute. So if you guys do want to sign up for that, use this link right there. This is just the wait list, and it's going to be very limited spots. So if you guys want the wait list, it's free to sign up for that. That is the link right there, the little share form. January 20th. I always go for the monthly expirations, the third Friday of the month. That's where the liquidity is. And again, I talk about all that in the book. Hey, that's a good Christmas gift. I'll tell you that. Whoever got it for you, they love you a lot. Thank you, Brad. Let's see if ES wants to go up and set this new high. Again, it never hit that stop either. Yes, sir. Trade safe, trade smart. Run it up today. Let's print. What is this? You are not allowed to do that. Thank you for the subscribe. Who was that? Where's your name? Anton. Is that how you say it? Anton? Whatever it may be. Thank you for the subscribe. I appreciate it. Yes, hold on. Let's take a look at Apple real quick. Apple. So remember, I'm pretty much just using Apple as my market gauge. It got too close to my bounce level that I was watching, 127.63. We break below there, we're more than likely going lower. And if it does break below there, it's more than likely taking the market lower with it. So, again, I don't really trade Apple. It's just there more so for a market gauge. But I'll tell you, it looks like crap. Yeah, I know I'm at like 37.5K. I think a little over that. Yeah, the break level is on, I sent it in the chat. Scroll up a little bit. I mean, yeah, the bounce is looking good. If it can build a base above 38.47, we got room up. Anyways, all right. I'm going to hop off. I'm going to go make breakfast before the market opens. So if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like, oh my God, in like 20 minutes. But yeah, everybody have an amazing final trading day of the year. Trade safe, trade smart, wait for A+ setups. If the market does not give you an A+ setup, then you simply do not take the trade. But as always, I wish everybody the best. Make sure you guys tune in every single Monday through Friday at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Give you guys a completely free watch list, plus answer any questions for you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in Discord. Everybody take it easy.